Phone disconnected. We've just arrived at Mantenga Lodge in Eswatini. So it's a beautiful place. It got a lot of mountains. Whenever you're traveling here, it's mountain houses in the mountains. It's a mountainous place and it's very, very nice. Mantenga Lodge also looks very, very nice. A lot of trees and flowers everywhere. So it looks like it's a beautiful place. We've been driving the whole day from Gauteng, South Africa, and then now we are here at Eswatini. Very, very nice place. Look at there. Some trees all over. It looks like we are on top of the mountain. As a manager of this place, what can you say about this place?
It's amazing. It's very tranquil.
So everyone must come here. Everyone who comes to
Definitely,
Eswatini.
and they will love it.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
I will say, so far it looks very, very, very lovely.
Thank you.
Yes.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Okay. There's a pool down there. Let's just go and see it. Okay, this is the way to the pool. Yeah, this place is wild. And then here's the pool side. Hi, how are you?
You?
How deep?
How deep?
Yes.
175 centimeters.
On the side.
Oh, on that side. Oh, yeah, it's written here. Oh, this side is 1.0 meters. Okay, there. Okay, 1.75. Then up there, one of the rooms.
That mountain is called the execution room.
Oh, okay. What about it?
When you do adultery and witchcraft, you are being talked to the on top, then they push you. No one bury you, but you be eaten by the vultures.
Okay.
But they used to do it a long time ago. Before our late king, before,
Yeah.
I don't know when.
So can we get there to see it or?
Yeah, you can. by hiking.
For hiking?
Yes.
Uh, you know how many kilometers together?
No.
You don't know?
I never know.
Okay, I'll try to Google it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks. That's our room. Look at how the room have been done. You can go under it. It's our room, number 17. Oh, you're already sleeping. The room is not that big, but yeah, it looks very nice. And look at these beads on the headboard. This is a mirror and then a table. Okay, the TV. They're not drawers here, it's just a table. And this part where you can put anything here. A lovely window. Doesn't have a glass, it's a glassless window. You just open it ahead and you can hang your clothes here. This is the wardrobe. Okay, hang your clothes. You can't close it. Entering the toilet. Oh, yeah, this is the toilet. Okay. There's two towels. Okay, 4 towels. Nice deco. Okay, that's been the toilet paper. This is the shower. Okay, nice shower head. And look at this design. It's like we are entering the hall when we are showering. Shampoo, okay, some soap. Something that smells nice. Now we go to the balcony. Oh. This is the view from the balcony. One problem here. There's no fridge, there's no microwave. So
That's the boring part.
yes. Evening, ma'am. How are you? I'm good. I would like to order a chicken wrap. Chips or salad? Okay, with chips. Alright, thanks. Bye. Home service is done.